Let's get straight into it because Transcentury getting the markets excited last week already, and all ahead of today's AGM, where we were expecting shareholders to vote on the approval of a possible takeover of a majority stake in Civicon. How do things play out at today's AGM?
Thank you. Things went well at today's AGM. We got the shareholder approval that we were hoping for the acquisition of Civicon group of companies, which is an engineering company operating across East Central Africa. This is really quite exciting for us because it's going to have a material impact to both our profitability and our growth going forward.
Let's take a look at to what extent, because we've had market commentary saying that we've got your investments right now just too heavily exposed towards East African cables. That makes up that 63% stake that you make up there, makes up half of your revenue. So what kind of impact do you foresee the company's assets or impact this company having on the company's assets and annualized earnings moving forward?
Yeah, unfortunately, we can't release the exact numbers at this stage, but we will do going forward. But when we say material, it's more than 25%, both in terms of revenue and profitability. In terms of the sort of future growth of Transcentury, what this will really do is create an even keel in terms of even revenues across the three key divisions, which, as you know, are power. And one of those businesses, as you mentioned, is East African Cables, which is the largest in that group. But don't forget there are two other very significant legs now in the business in terms of transport, with the railway concession, and now the engineering division, which is going to include Civicon.
It also means diversification on a geographic basis, right?
It does. It means much more diversification. One of the markets which we've been going into is the Democratic Republic of Congo. It's been a market where we've traded quite a lot, and given our dominance in Eastern Africa, is a market that continues to be of significant importance to us. We now have a significant presence there from our power division and our engineering division, and moreover, there are other markets such as Southern Sudan. These two are very strategic in terms of the Eastern African bloc. And are markets that we really want to have an early lead in.
Gachao, that price tag has been kept under wraps for the past week. Can you reveal now at what price this opportunity is coming at?
No, unfortunately, we're not able to do that. But at a later stage, I think we'll be able to reveal much more details about the transaction. Right now, the transaction has been approved by shareholders, but it's still pending regulatory approval from the Competition Commission.